whatever his name is, from Red Hot Chili Peppers. If you read his autobiography that he wrote himself, he had sex with 14-year-old, got bad bodies on 30 even after young age.
Teenage got off at he's a rapist.
There you go. Anybody else? Shout one.
Lisa Rivera Smith.
Lisa Rivera Smith. Octavian beat up his girlfriend. There you go. Let's fucking listen to them. Do your research, don't fucking listen to them, put your money where your fucking mouth is. This is basically about that.